Hello friends, I hope you are doing absolutely great. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk something very interesting. We have noticed that every 18-year-old wants to have a startup that will be the next Ola, next Flipkart, next Byju's. Dream big, but with a reality check. Rather, I would say a rational reality check is very, very important before bringing your startup into full-fledged operations. So let's talk about what's the current scenario. In the past few years, we have seen that the market is flooded with innovations and innovative ideas, products, and solutions. This is a good thing, but unfortunately, Indian markets are not that welcoming or that receptive towards innovation currently. But whenever we introduce a new product, idea, or solution into the market, there is an initial reluctance to acceptance. As a famous businessmen have always said and followed, that winners don't do different things, they do the things differently. My dear friends, even Microsoft has failed while it tried to introduce an innovative solution. So don't be disheartened as long as you are following a plan to succeed. Planning is a very, very crucial part when it comes to bringing your startup into operations, because this will only help you succeed and help you prevent from getting into this 90% thing is something that we have grown up hearing, yet it is the most ignored part in in the entire process. And we have grown up hearing, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. But yet this is the most ignored part, and while it comes to implementation, we forget to understand the importance of planning. My dear friends, if you spend 6 months to implement an idea, you should at least spend half of the time to plan your idea. Each and every step should be carefully and meticulously planned, so that if there are any glitches, you can have an idea of the glitches, and so that you can avoid the future problems beforehand. Soon I'll be talking about how to convert an idea into a plan. So please stay tuned in the next videos also, so that we can discuss more about these things. Next is lack of pre-launch research. My dear friends, we are so fascinated by the idea of the product. We love our idea so much that we fail to understand that it is very important to have a short market survey or short research which relates to your product or your business idea. So this is something that we ignore most of the times, and we think that okay, this will work, let's try this. Why will it not work? Market is ready for consuming anything. Yes, market is ready to consume anything, but then you have to understand that your product has to add value, your solution has to add value, and there has to be a problem that exists which you are solving. It should not exist only in your head, but it should also exist in the lives of the people that you are targeting to solve. Comfort zones. So, my dear friends, the enthusiasm is the highest when we are launching our business. And then you must have seen the curve of the introduction, growth, maturity, and then decline. So as the time passes, our enthusiasm goes down, and we tend to slowly shift to our comfort zones, and then we try being a part of our comfort zones only, and not come up with the innovative solutions or lot of innovations to encounter or to face the problems that our startup or the business is facing. Whenever you are launching a new business idea, always be sure that there will be some or the other new problems coming up every day which you will have to solve. And that is the basic responsibility of an entrepreneur. Last but not the least is mismanaged finances. My dear friends, you agree or not, finance is the lifeblood of every business. The rate of success of a business depends on how well you are managing your finances. So this is not the last thing that this is not the first and last thing to do, but then this is a very, very important part. You need to have a very effective, efficient, and a strong financial plan for your business, so that you can support your business in the difficult times. Also, you have to understand what are the cash inflows and outflows. Is it going according to my plan? If there are deviations, what is the reason of the deviations, and then try to control them as well. So because the success will depend on how strong is your financial policy, how strong is your financial plan. So this is a very important area to be taken care of. So my dear friends, these were the 5 things that we spoke about, and these are very small things, but then we tend to ignore the small things only, and these small things actually matter a lot. And if they are taken care of, you can just be a part of a successful startup, and your venture, you can prevent your venture from running into losses. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.